The Value Chain proudly presents the Smart BarTender Connector, a flexible way to generate your labels with data coming from SAP. Our solution connects SAP with BarTender, the industry standard for label and barcode creation. SAP Business Technology Platform makes communication easy between SAP system and your label printers. Create your own custom labels in a user-friendly application. Start improving your supply chain process today. For more info, contact us via www.thevaluechain.eu.